Hi, welcome to Affiliatable. Affiliatable is a great platform for affiliate marketers looking to create tables and product boxes on their website with different element options and pre-built layouts to choose from. Plus, it's always updated with new stuff to keep things fresh. You can create high-converting product showcases that allow visitors to easily compare features and benefits, driving clicks to your affiliate links. You can save time and effort with customizable templates that ensure your product presentations are visually appealing and match your website style. Gain valuable insights into user behavior with your product presentations. See what resonates with your audience and optimize for better results. Use Affiliatable with any of the affiliate platforms, networks, and programs. Affiliatable offers a free plan forever, and paid plan starts at $9 for one website each month. Affiliatable also provides a 7-day free trial with each plan and a 7-day refund policy. If you want to use Affiliatable for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.